Perfect. So we are going to be going over how to install the Thinkorswim platform. So in order to install Thinkorswim, it's free of charge. There's no cost or anything like that associated with it. You're going to go here into the Thinkorswim. You're just going to type in download Thinkorswim in Google. Click on any of these. I'm just going to click on the one right here, and you're going to go into open an account. You're not really going to get $600 unless you're investing over $100,000 in capital, which I assume most of you are not. But in here, you can go through. You do need your social security, and just go through and fill all this out. It's fairly simple and everything. It will be a little bit difficult. If you need help with this, I would recommend giving them a call, and they'll walk you through it and everything. I wish I could help everyone out. But I would say just give TD Ameritrade a call. They'll walk you through it. You don't even have to put any money in there in order to set up the account. So you'll go through, you'll create the account and everything like that, which it's a really great, robust platform. You have the ability to sync this across multiple devices and have a lot of those charts that I've kind of been showing you as well, like on the Instagram stories and things like that. You can get in-app chat and sharing. I don't really utilize this feature. Like I said, I don't like things all on my smartphone with this because it's too much for such a small screen. But once you have that downloaded, you're going to go to the Thinkorswim platform. It's going to be right here. And then, of course, you're going to have the ability to create watch lists. You're going to have the ability to do the charting and things like that. This is a company that I've been looking at right now. And let me see if I can zoom out. This is just going to be one of the 180-day charts. And I've created a few extra lines and kind of charting everything out. But this is going to be really important. This is going to be one of the big things you're going to need to use and need to know when it comes to swing trading and everything. And this is a skill that I think is valuable. Anyway, we'll go over this a little bit more, but that's how you're going to download the Thinkorswim platform and use that. So hopefully everyone has a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.